Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about binomial theorem. Okay, students. First we are going to discuss about binomial theorem about integral index. After that, middle terms and the numerically greatest terms and the properties on the binomial coefficients. And finally, we are going to discuss about the rational index. Okay, students. So binomial means the algebraic sum. We know that suppose a plus or minus b, either a plus b or a minus b. So this is called as binomial. At the same time, a plus b plus c, this is called trinomial. Okay, students, we have to know that, my dear students, then we know that a plus b plus c plus d, quadrinomial, or the polynomial having the 4 terms. Similarly, students, a plus b plus c plus d plus e and so on, these are all called polynomial. So dear students, in this topic we have to discuss about only the binomial. Okay, so suppose students, here suppose we are taking the plus, the index is we are taking 0. What is the students? Index is we are taking 0. A plus b, any power 0 value is the 1. Is it clear, students? Now the a plus b whole power n. So suppose, students, we are taking the one triangle. This is 1 1. Okay, student, this is what? A plus b. Suppose, students, a plus b whole square is there. My dear students, right now we are taking the two triangles. The index is there 2. Therefore, we are taking the two triangles, that is 1 1. So 1 plus 1 is the 2. These are the coefficients of the binomial. We know that a square, after then 2ab plus b square. Yes or no, students? First the coefficient of a square is 1 and ab coefficient is 2 and b square coefficient is 1. So students, after that a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, right now students we are taking 3 triangles. This is the method Pascal triangle. What is the students? Pascal's triangle method. 1 and 1, 1 plus 2 is the 3. First you are taking 1 and last coefficient also 1. 1 plus 2 3 and 2 plus 1 3. So student, first you are beginning with a cube, then it is there 3a square. So the first term index is decreasing by 1 1 1 and in the first term is not there b, now that is b. After then 3a power 1 b square. Second term indices are increasing by 1. Finally, students, 1 b cube. So this is the student 1 3 3 1. So 1 3 3 1. So first a cube, a square, a power 1, last term a power 0, b power 1, b square, b cube. Now students, a plus b whole power 4. How to find the a plus b whole power 4? So we are taking the students 4 Pascal triangle. So dear students, this is 1 1. Therefore 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4. How to write this in the student? First you can write a power 4. After then 4 into, what is there? A cube b. After then is there 6 into a square b square. After then 4 is there, 4 into a power 1 b cube. Finally 1 b power 4. This is for the a plus b whole power 4. So this is the method is called Pascal triangle method. So this is useful for only the coefficients of the binomial in the expansion. So here a plus b whole square, a square 2ab plus b square. In the previous classes, a plus b, how can you write a plus b whole square? This is a plus b into a plus b. Dear student, first we are multiplying with a square plus ab. After that, this is ab plus b square. This is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. So the binomial, first you are taking index 0, after then 1, after then 2, 3, 4. So my dear students, our observation, what we are observed, dear students, The binomial first term is the increasing by indices increasing by 1, and second term is the increasing first term is the indices are decreasing by 1, second term is the 1, 2, 3, here also first b power 0, b power 1, b square, b cube, b power 4. And one more observation is the students, this is the 4. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is the 4. 2 plus 2 is also 4. So 3 plus 1, 4. The sum of the indices must be equal to the by index of the binomial. Okay, students? So each and every sum of the powers are equal to the binomial power. Is it clear, student? That is one more observation. First term is the a power 4, after 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3 and 4. At the same time, the binomial coefficient is the, by using this is the Pascal method. So similarly, student 5 and 6, suppose the binomial index is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, it is to find very difficulty. So that's why, students, right now we are taking the binomial expansion. So okay, students. My dear students, right now binomial theorem. The binomial theorem is the, students, let n be the positive integer. What is the, students? N be the positive integer. X and A are the real numbers. Then x plus A whole power n. So this is the, students, NC0 x power n, A power 0, n minus 0 n, A power 0, NC1 x power n minus 1, A power 1, NC2 x power n minus 2, A square. Okay, students, after then NCR and so on. NCR x power n minus r, A power r, and so on. NCN n minus 1 x power 0, A power n. So what is the observation, students? The sum of the powers n plus 0 n. This is 1 n minus 1 plus 1 n. N minus 2 plus 2 is also n. N minus r plus r is also n. So this is also n. So each and every term, the sum of the powers is must be equal to the index of the binomial. At the same time, students, the first term is n. After that, n minus 1, n minus 2. The last one is 0. So the first term powers are indices are decreasing by 1. So the another observation is the, students, A0, 1, 2 and so on, last finally on. So the second term indices are increasing by 1. So here the NC0, my dear students, NC0, NC1, NC2, NCR. What are the, students? NC0, NC1, NC2 and so on, NCR and so on, NCN. These are called binomial coefficients in the expansion. These are all called, students, binomial coefficients. These are all called binomial coefficients in the expansion. Binomial coefficients. My dear student, these are all binomial coefficients in the expansion. After that, these are denoted by simply C0, C1, C2, CR and so on, CN. CN is nothing but NCN. CR is nothing but NCR, C2 is nothing but NC2, C1 is the NC1, C0 is the NC0. After that, you can directly denoted by C0, C1, C2, C3. My dear students, in the combinations, we have to learn about NCR. NCR is the form, students. What is the NCR? Is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. What is the, students? NCR is the n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So students, factorial means 0 factorial. 0 factorial we can written as 1. 1 factorial is also 1. 2 factorial is the, students, 2 into 1. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So dear students, similarly 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What is the, student? 5 factorial? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the factorial. Both 0 factorial and 1 factorial is 1. So the factorial for the negative numbers are not defined. Minus 2 factorial, minus 3 factorial does not exist. Here only, student, 0 factorial must be 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2 into 1, 3 factorial must be here. The NCR must be, dear students, NCR is must be greater than or equal to 0. What is the students? N must be greater than 0 for, and also with the integer. Is it clear, students? Undoubtedly N and R are the integers. At the same time, those are positive integers, but R may be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, student, this is the NCR. Undoubtedly, N is always NCR for N is always greater than or equal to R, and N is must be greater than or equal to 1, and must be, dear students, R is must be greater than or equal to 0. This is the form NCR. N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Dear students, this term, this is called the general term. What is the student? This is called the general term. The proof is not necessary, students. So this proof is, we can prove in mathematical induction method. Proof is not necessary. Okay, students, I will explain at the board at the time of board examinations. This is proof is not necessary right now. So just you can remember it. X plus A whole power n, NC0 x power n a power 0, NC1 x power n minus 1 a power n, NC2 x power n minus 2 a square. They are not asking in also board examinations. Board examination point of view, only two LAQs are there. One of them is undoubtedly infinite series, and the second one must be, they are asking only the related to the binomial coefficients only. Okay, students, so don't think about this proof. This is only we can prove in mathematical induction for n equal to 1 and assume that n equal to k, and for n equal to k plus 1. Right now the proof is not necessary. Okay, students, right now the general term of the x plus a, this is the students TR plus 1 equal to x power n minus, what is the students? The TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. What is the students? The TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r is called the general term. What is the students? Is called the general term in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. The general term in the expansion of x plus a whole power n is the students TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. So these are the observations. So first NC0, NC1, NC2 up to NCN is there n. You can write NCN. Suppose the power 4 is there. How to write this is 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C4. Always n is greater than or equal to r. NCR is the form n factorial by n minus r factorial to r factorial. Another observation, students, suppose NCR equal to NCn minus r. Suppose, students, 5C2 equal to 5C3 equal. 5C2, undoubtedly 5C3 are equal. Since, students, 5 minus 2 is the 3. Suppose we are finding this formula, students, 5 factorial by, how to write the student? 5 factorial by 5n minus r factorial. So, students, this is 5 minus 2 factorial, 3 factorial into 2 factorial. This is also, students, 5 factorial by 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. Both are same. Dear students, what we observe? Both are equal to same. So 5C2 equal to 5C3. NCR equal to NC n minus r. What is the students NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. What is the general term? TR plus 1. The TR plus 1 is the form x. What is the student TR plus 1? NCR x power n minus r a power r. Dear students, in the binomial expansion, suppose the index is the n, the number of terms in the expansion is undoubtedly n plus 1 terms are there. How many terms we got? N plus 1 terms. Suppose, students, we have to know that a plus b whole square. This is the form a square 2ab plus b square. Everybody know that. 1, 2, 3. If the index is 2, the number of terms in the binomial, okay, students, the binomial undoubtedly, student, 3. After that, students, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, we know that a cube 3a square b plus 3a b square and B cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the power is the 3, 3 plus 1. Number of terms are 4. Similarly students, if the x plus a whole power n is there, the number of terms in the expansion, the number of terms in the expansion, the number of terms is the n plus 1. The number of terms in the expansion is n plus 1. Suppose the students x plus a plus b whole power n, suppose is there trinomial, how to evaluate? There is a form students, n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1 by using the multinomial theorem. I will explain in the next I will explain in within 2 days about multinomial theorem. Okay students, so that is only exclusively for the objective. Okay students, right now we are going to discuss about the number of terms for the only binomial, trinomial and polynomial, how to find the number of terms. That is only for you, that is only for objective. Okay students, that is the form n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1. Okay students, how to n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1. Suppose students, here n is the 3, r is the 2. How to write this is 3 plus 2 minus 1, this is the 2 minus 1. So student 3 plus 2, what is the student? 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 1 4, this is the 1, so 4c1, so that equal to 4c1 is the 4. Dear students, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the method. Similarly students, suppose here 2 can 2, these are 2, 2 plus 2 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 3, undoubtedly 2 minus 1 is the 1, 3c1 is the 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay students, nc0 value 1, okay, I will explain nc0 value 1 and first term 1 and also last term ncn 1. Okay students, what are our observations? nc0 and ncn is always equal to 1 and nc1, this is the students, nc1 is always n. nc0, ncn equal to always 1. First and last term coefficients always equal 1. nc1 is the n. Okay students, similarly 2c1 2, 3c1 3, 4c1 4, 5c1 5, 5c0 and 5c5, 6c0, 6c6, 7c0, 7c7. These are all equal to 1. Okay students. Now what is the students? The general term is tr plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. Dear students, in the expansion, the general term is that is from beginning. So dear students, the general term from the end. What is the students? The general term from the end is the formula n minus p plus 2. The general term from the end. The general term, what is the students? Suppose the general term from the beginning, what is the student? The general term from the beginning is the p. Pth term, the general term from the beginning is the so n minus p plus 2, this is the students, the general term from the end. Is it clear students? The general term beginning from beginning is the pth term and is the students from the end is the n minus p plus 2. Okay students, right now we have to find the student some expansion. Okay, after that we are also find the general term from the beginning, from the end also. Okay students, my dear students, find the expansion of 2a plus b whole power 4. How to find? This is the students. First we take 2a plus b whole power 4. This is the student. First we can write 4c0, 2a whole power 4. After then student 4c1, 2a 4 minus 1 3 and b power 1. After then students 4c2, 2a power 4 minus 2 is that 2, b square. Next one student 4c3, 2a power 1 b cube. Finally students 4c4. What is the students? 4c4 2a power 0. That means any power 0 value 1 b power 4. So just now we discussed students 4c 0 value 1. This is the 2 power 4 is the 16 a power 4. And also students 4c1 is also 4. How to dear students? NCR is the form n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. 4 factorial by 4 minus 1 3 factorial. So this is the students 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 3 into 2 into 1 or cancel. 1 factor is nothing but 1. This is what? 4. So directly we can write 4c1 is also 4. This is the 8a cube into b. After that 4c2. My dear students, 4 factorial by 4 minus 2. 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So dear students, 4 into 3. 2 factorial cancel. 2 into 1. 2 2s are. This is 6. 6 into 4a square into b square. Now student 4c3 equal to, already I explained 4c3 equal to 4c1. NCR equal to NCn minus r. So student 4c3 equal to 4c1. 4 minus 3, 1. 4c1 is also 4. So student 4c3 is the 4c1. Therefore 4 into 2a into b cube. 4c4 is the 1. NC0 first and last coefficients always 1. You can write up to 4c4. 4c5 is not defined. The n is always greater than or equal to r. So students, this is b power 4. Okay students, right now we can write as this is. How to write the students? This is 16 a power 4. After that students 4 2s are 32 a cube b. So after that students 24 a square b square. This is what students? 4 2s are 8 b cube plus b. The students 1 2 3 4 5. So the power is a 4. The index is 4, the number of terms are 5. My dear students, how to find the 1, 2, 3? So, how to find the second term? How to find the directly second term? Just you remember it students, the second term is the here this is. So, this is the second term from the beginning. This is the students second term from the ending. So, these are the 32 a cube b. This is the 8 a cube. Just you remember it students. So right now I find the students second term and the end term last second term. Okay students, find the second term from the beginning and also find the second term from the ending. Okay students. Right now student, find the second term from the beginning and the ending. So first we find T2. So dear students, we know that TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. So undoubtedly students, where n equal to the 4, r plus 1, therefore here T2 is there, undoubtedly we are taking r equal to 1. Is it clear students? How to write r plus 1? When we find the T2, r will be the 1. So students, 1 plus 1, this is n is the 4, that is 1 x power n minus r. So the first term is the students 2a, 4 minus 1 is the 3, n minus r, 4 minus 1 is the 3. After that students, b b power r is the 1. Is it clear, students? How can you write this? Is NCR. N is the 4, R is the 1. 4C1, 4 minus 1 is the 3, where X is the first term, A is the second term. So now, student, this can be written as 4C1 is the 4, 8A cube into B. This is the T2. In the expansion, we observed 32A cube B. This is the second term. What is the student? Second term from the beginning. So I explain what is the students, what we observed, n minus p plus 2. What is the students? N minus p plus 2. That is what? So dear students, we can observe what is the students? We find the second term from the end. Second term from the end. What is the students? T n minus p plus 2. This is the form. T n is the 4. N is the students 4. After then, how to write? P is the 2 plus 2. Is it clear, students? N is the 2, second term is the P. These two are cancelled. Now we find T4. The second term from the end is the students T n minus P plus 2. So we know that T4. Right now we have to find T4. This is the T2. What is the students? T4 is the, how can you write? N is the 4, the N is the 4 and R is the 3. That is N, the general term. TR plus 1 equal to NCR, X power N minus R, A power R. This is what? R will be the 3 plus 1. So this is 4C3. R is the 3, N is the 4, 4C3. X power 4 minus 3, 1. A power 3. So this is what, students? We can written as, how to write this is? The log. This is the student 4C3. 4X A cube. This is the last second term. Okay, students? In the above expansion, we have to know that what is the expansion, students? 4C0 2A whole power 1. 4C1, what is the students? 2A whole cube and B. After that 4C3. So 4C2. This is 4C4. 4C3, first 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 2A power minus 1B. Undoubtedly, students, here there is a small mistake is there. What is the students? Instead of 4C3, X is there, 2A. So instead of, my dear student, just we can substitute in here. What is the students? We can forget it. What is that one, students? There is a calculation mistake is there. R is the 3 plus 1. 4C3. What is the X is? X is the students 2A. 2A whole power 1. What is the A is the students? B power. R is the students 3. Is it clear? Instead of X is there 2A. Instead of A is there B. Therefore 2A whole power 4 minus 3 1. B cube. 4C3 is the 4. 4C3 is equal to 4C1. That is 4. This is the 2A. After that B cube. This is what, students? 4 2s are 8 into A B cube. So this is the, is it clear, students? Finally 4C4. This is the last second term. This is the first second term when you can observe. But this is the formula TR plus 1. Directly take from the beginning. TR plus 1 is the NCR, X power N minus R, A power R. From the end is the T N minus P plus 2. Second term is there. we are taking P2. Third term is there, P is 3. Fourth term, suppose we have to find the fourth term from the end, n minus 4 plus 2. Is it clear, student? This is the formula. Write down, students. My dear students, the x plus a whole power n is called the binomial theorem. But that is what, students? NC0 x power n, NCn x power n minus 1 a power 1, NC2 x power n minus 2 a square, NC3 x power n minus 3 a cube, and so on, students. NCR x power n minus r a power r, NCn a power n. This is the binomial theorem. So, students, when you can replace it by a is the minus a, this is what, students? NC0 x power n minus a, that is NC1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 minus a whole square is plus NC2 x power n minus 2 a square. So, students, minus NC3 x power n minus 3 a cube, and so on. How to write this is NCR x power n minus r x power n minus r minus a whole power r, that is what? Minus 1 power r. So, students, NCn minus 1 minus a whole power n, that is minus 1 power n a power n. This is for x minus a whole power n. So, students, therefore, when the sum of these, we are taking expansion, and nature of n and the number of terms. Nature of n means either even or odd. Suppose the students here, so the first expansion is the students x plus a. Suppose like this, x plus a whole power n, there are n plus 1 terms. X minus a whole power n is also there are n plus 1 terms. X plus a whole power n and x minus a whole power n. My dear students, when n is the even, the number of terms are n by 2 plus 1. So what is the, students? When n is even, undoubtedly n by 2 plus 1. Okay, student, just you can observe a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Undoubtedly a square plus 2ab plus 1 a square minus 2ab. What is the, students? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Sum of these, undoubtedly we got 2a square plus 2b square. That means 2 terms are there. So, students, where n is the even, 2 by 2 is the 1 plus 1, number of terms are 2. Suppose the, students, n is odd. So, undoubtedly n is odd, students. We have to know that in that case, we have to got only one term. That is 2ab plus 2ab plus 4ab. That is the, student, we can write directly n plus 1 by 2. What is the formula, students? N plus 1 by 2. So, this is the expansion. Okay, students? Suppose the, students, is there x plus a whole power n, x minus a whole power n is there. Undoubtedly, students, the n is even, directly we can write n by 2 formula. That is 2 by 2. Undoubtedly, you can write directly n by 2. What is the, students? N by 2. Suppose n is odd. My dear students, the n is odd. Undoubtedly, students, n plus 1 by 2. N is odd. Undoubtedly, n plus 1 by 2. Okay, students, these are the number of terms where n is even and odd between the plus sign, and n is either even or odd between the minus sign of the x plus a whole power n and x minus a whole power n. The first one, n is even, n by 2 plus 1, odd is n plus 1 by 2. The second one, the n by 2 is for n is even, for n odd is the n plus 1 by 2. So, odd is the same formula, n plus 1 by 2, both have. This is n by 2 plus 1, this is n by 2. Okay, students. My dear students, the number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n, x minus a whole power n, x plus ai whole power n plus x minus ai whole power n is the step of n plus 4 by 4. What is the students? The step of n plus 4. What is the student? Step of n plus 4 by 4. Yes, n plus 4 by 4. Where step is the GIF, greatest integer factor. Okay, students. So here the greatest integer factor. So here the greatest integer function. How to find this is 2.5. Suppose we got 2. Okay, minus 2.5 is the undoubtedly minus 3. But where n is always positive, undoubtedly we got the positive. The number of terms are always in positive. Okay, students. So no problem at all. How to find this is the students? X plus a, x minus a, x plus a, x minus a. The number of terms are step of n plus 4 by 4. Now students, the number of terms. My dear students, the number of terms in the expansion of x plus a, the middle terms. So right now we are discuss about middle terms in the expansion of middle term in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. So students, the middle terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. So dear students, if the index is n is even. So the middle term is the students, undoubtedly the middle term is t n by 2 plus 1. T n by 2 plus 1. Suppose students, if n is even, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. Middle term is the, what is the middle term? Is the 2. That is the students, suppose a plus b whole square is there. A square 2ab plus b square. Middle term is this one. So t n by 2. N by 2 means 2 by 2 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1. T2 is the middle term. Is it clear, students? N is even. Directly we can written as T2. Suppose we know that, dear students, a plus b whole power 4. A power 4, just now write down. This is a cube b power 1, 6 a square b square, 4 a power 1 b cube and b power 4. How many terms are there? Last two, the first two, last two. This is the middle term. 1, 2, 3. Third term is the middle term. So students, we can written as n by 2 plus 1. That is what? Directly you can written as the 4 by 2 plus 1. T3 is the middle term. Suppose students, n is odd. What is the formula of a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is a cube 3a square b 3ab square b cube. There are, we got two middle terms. In the, suppose n is odd, how many terms are we are getting? 4 terms. So second term and third term are the middle terms. There is a form for n is odd. Undoubtedly students, n is even t n by 2 plus 1. Where n is odd, undoubtedly students, the middle terms are t n plus 1 by 2, t n plus 3 by 2. These are the two middle terms are there. Where n is odd, the number of middle terms are 2. Those are t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. Where n is even, undoubtedly t n by 2 plus 1. Okay, students. Right now we will find the middle term in the expansion of. Okay, students. Write down. Find the, my dear students. Find the middle term. Middle term in the expansion of 2x plus 3y whole power 7. N equal to 7. This is odd. N equal to 7. What are the middle terms are students? Undoubtedly, suppose we are taking middle terms. How many terms are we are getting? 8. Okay, students, 8 terms are we are getting. So first three close. So 4 and 5th term we can observe middle terms. Okay students, so we can write what is the formula students. T n plus 1 by 2. If n is odd, middle terms are, so middle terms equal to, what is the form? T n plus 1 by 2, T n plus 3 by 2. So n is the 7. So students, 7 plus 1, 8 by 2 is the 4. 7 plus 3, 10 by 2 is the 5. So T4 and T5 are the middle terms. Okay students. Now students, first we have to find the T4. N is the 7 and R will be the 3. The general term is the formula TR plus 1 NCR x power n minus R a power R. So this is what? R is the 3 plus 1, N is the 7, 7C3. X is the 2x. 2x whole power, 7 minus 3 is the 4. And A is the students 3y is there, R is the whole cube. Now what is the 7C3? We can written as the students 7C3. What is the suffix is there? 3. 7 into 6 into 5. This is the shortcut method students. 7C3 can be written as, just when the suffix is 3, we can write 3 successive numbers from 7. 7, 6, 5. This is 3, 2, 1. Since students n 7 factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, 4 factorial up to 4 factorial cancel. So student, this is 3 2 6. This value is the 35. So students, 35 into 2 power 4 is the 16. Now this is 3 cube is the 27. X power 4 y cube. Okay students, this is the term 4. Now students, we have to find the T5. For the T5, so undoubtedly students, n value is always 7, r value is the 4. R value is the 4. What is the formula students? TR plus 1. That is what? R plus 1. 4 plus 1. 7C4. What is the students? 7C4. Yes. X power. X is the 2x power. 7 minus 4 is the 3. And A power. What is the A? A is the 3y. 3y whole power 4. 7C3. This is equal to NCR equal to NCN minus R. Dear students, NCR equal to NCN minus R. This is the T cube. This is 3 power 4 x cube y power 4. So 7C3 value just now we find out this is 35. This is 2 cube is the 8. 81 x cube y power 4. These are the middle terms. Okay students, 2 cube and 3 power 4 and 2 power 4 and yes 3 cube. So the simplification is not given that in the question, so that's why I did it. Okay students, this is today. This is today's student. This is today. Tomorrow we will discuss about the coefficients, greatest coefficients and the numerically greatest terms and binomial coefficients also. Okay students, thank you all. Please practice. Okay.